तो दोस्तों वेलकम एक बार फिर से आपका खुशामदीद एक नई सुबह के साथ। गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। तो आज आ गया हूँ फिर से आपकी खिदमत में एक बार फिर से न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लेकर गेट लाइव वालों की तरफ से। मैच मैट मैट चेन। सो गेट लाइव विद entire list मैट चेन मैट spot trading staking BTC in launch pool are Matt Morley. So welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So thank you so much. तो आप सबका बहुत शुक्रिया आने का मेरी लाइव पर। तो एक बार फिर से मैं आज आपकी लाइव ले आया हूँ। तो आपको जल्द से जल्द काफ़ी सारे एक साथ प्रोजेक्ट दे रहे हैं गेट लाइव वाले। तो इस वजह से मुझे आज दिन में हो सकता है दो करना पड़े, तो मैं फिर दोबारा से भी आऊँ। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माई लाइव स्ट्रीम। Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. तो मैं हूँ आपका दोस्त एंड होस्ट क्रिप्टो चैंपियन। So welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Gateway list match chain match for spot trading at 12 on chain June 19, 2025. UTC to reward our user. You can stake BTC MAT in MAT chain MAT. So launch pool to earn 14,000 MAT airdrop for free with reward distributed every hour. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear, for follow me, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Chinese friends, and thank you so much, all new friends. तो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे। तो जुड़े रहिएगा दोस्तों मेरे साथ मेरी लाइव पे। बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का। वेलकम शंघाई अंकल, वेलकम बिगनर 888, वेलकम कॉइन विन, वेलकम शट डाउन। So welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome Sita, welcome Kate user, my dear friends. So Matt chain, Matt spot trading start June 19, 2025, 12 UTC. So deposits Matt, this is a Matt address for the trading. You can see I will see you Matt trading. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome. This is our deposit address. This is our trading address, my dear friends. So this is a MAT trading address. You can see the MAT is trading over. So न्यू टोकन है, इस पे आप ट्रेडिंग कर सकते हैं, अच्छी ट्रेडिंग आपको मिल जाएगी। तो चलते हैं, हम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि लॉन्च प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, तो हम प्रोजेक्ट पे ज़्यादा इसको वो करेंगे फोकस। सो वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव। So welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my all dearest friends, और आपका सपोर्ट होता है, आप डेली आ जाते हैं मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम में। बहुत शुक्रिया आप सब दोस्तों का। सो मैट आज का जो नया प्रोजेक्ट है गेट लाइव मैट प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ आप। सो मैट मैट लॉन्च पूल ये बता दिया है आपको। टोटल स्टेकिंग रिवॉर्ड 14,000 मैट स्टेक टू अर्न नाउ। So you can see stake to earn now. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. So welcome Sita, welcome Adam Shahid, welcome Snowball Tapping Points, welcome Murat 81, welcome Algate user, welcome Athar 1110. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. So सबसे पहला जो पूल है वो मेड पूल है। टोटल स्टेटिंग है 24.000 मैट। सो पार्टिसिपेंट अभी तक तो कर लिया है लोगों ने, वो है 2.473 है। टोकन स्टेक है मैट। प्राइस पूल हॉली कैप है 15 मैट। माइनिंग पीरियड है 20 डेज। सो इंडिविजुअल हॉली रिवॉर्ड कैप है 5 मैट। तो टोटल स्टेक है 280.146.32 मैट. APR is 208.58%. तो APR भी इसका बेहतरीन है, तो आप इसमें स्टेक कर सकते हैं दोस्तों. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम. So you can click the stake button and stake now. You can click the stake button for 0.01 minimum MAT. You can stake now. You can see my dear friends. So second pool is welcome Mano Rani. Thank you so much for joining live stream, Mano Rani. So second pool is BTC pool. Total staking reward is 16,000 MAT. Participant is 3,009. Individual staking cap is BIP 10 BTC. Token stake is BTC. Price pool Horley cap is 33.33 MAT. Mining period is 20 days. Individual Horley reward cap 4.99 MAT. Total staking 2.252.71695696 BTC. APR is 0.2%. So you can stake now on BTC. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So you can stake on BTC 0.00001. You can stake now on BTC. So now go to the, this is a MAT AI chain for ID or data sovereignty onboarding 500 million plus via global IP partners using Match ID. So go to the official website. Welcome Munawwar, welcome Everyday Sky, welcome Gate User. Thank you so much Gate User. So this is the official Match ID. You can see the Match Chain Match ID. This is the official website of Match Chain, Paris, Senate, Germany. You can see Match Chain. This is a match. Cat user, welcome Flecting Clamor, welcome number 0.9527, welcome and thank you so much. Cat user and Monopoly. So this is you can see the official website. So MAT now available on Binance, Kraken, Bitgate, Gate.io, Bitpanda, Ucoin, Maxi, Bitmarket, Weeks, L Bank. So you can see the Gate.io on available MAT. So nothing great is MAT only. You can see nothing great is MAT alone. 31.50 MAT total wallet. So 4.20 million daily active user, 716.17 million total transactions. AI identity layer for Web3. Match is decentralization AI blockchain focus on data and identity. Severity utilize advanced AI for data organizations, analysis, and user profiling to the enhanced decentralization identity solution and data management. So you can see the special partner of this. You can see the beautiful design of this website. You can see my dear friends on your screen. Welcome Copper Bag. Welcome Sita. Welcome Munawwar. Welcome all Gate user. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends. You can see beautiful website. So Lando Messenger, welcome. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों गेट लाइव न्यू प्रोजेक्ट मेट प्रोजेक्ट रिव्यू. Honor your digital identity. Met ID transfer your integration with the digital world by offering a secure decentralization identity DID solution. It streamlines across platforms and provides opportunity to monetize your data, always ensuring your privacy with announced advanced security technology. So join Matt ID. You can see the so three is one universal sign in. The match ID is interoperable, providing a single sign-in across any ID app and join. You can build multiplayer, multi-chain wallets. Your wallet, your match ID and sign-in user Web2 social lines such as email, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. I don't have a existing wallet. We will automatically create one of for you. So data security and controller. We index public data without collecting non-public information, personal data including soul bond tokens, SBT, and proof of immunity, P of H, is protected by KZ Pass technology, ensuring privacy. Enhance analytic gain valuable insights without compromising privacy. Match Hub uses Swabitit analysis to enhance user engagements and provide tailored experience unitizing the match ID. Welcome beginner, welcome Moontree, welcome Xiaomo, welcome all gate user, welcome and thank you so much. Virtual Natural. Thank you so much, Onis, my dear friend. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइव का जो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट है मैट के बारे में. तो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा और बने रहिएगा दोस्तों. यूज cases for the real world identity verification, create secure and user friendly identity verification solution, ensuring shameless authentications and protecting against fraud. Taffy build secure and revalid Taffy application, ensuring repose identity verification and transactions identity within your finance solutions. Welcome Bunchi, welcome Gate user, welcome Churial. So gaming, enhancing gaming experience with secure players identity management in game assets protections and fair play verification. Social, create secure and trustworthy social platforms enabling safe and verified integrations with protections, user data and privacy. वेलकम नवाब इंटरप्राइज माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू सो मच नवाब इंटरप्राइज. नवाब इंटरप्राइज किधर गायब हैं आप? बहुत दिनों बाद नज़र आ रहे हैं लाइव पे. वेलकम MI007. हाउ आर यू MI007 माय फ्रेंड? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू. MI007 माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच. तो उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे, ठीक ठाक होंगे. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू सो मच. वेलकम. Welcome to all of you, my dearest friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं न्यू प्रोजेक्ट की. गेट लाइव का जो न्यू प्रोजेक्ट है उसके बारे में बता रहा हूँ. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. तो बने रहिएगा मेरे दोस्तों, मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा ताकि आप सब कुछ इसके बारे में जान सकें. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू लाइव स्ट्रीम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच. तो ये थे यूजेस केसेस फॉर द रियल वर्ल्ड. So now go to the next one. Reshaping the online economic. You can see the economic build on match change with the Stratations portal. We have partnered with the Straton to help you build and ship the app lighting quick on Matt chain. Welcome all gate user, welcome yo my dear friends, yo कैसे हैं आप, ठीक हैं? Join the match hub. You can see the all match hub, my dear friends. This is the open format. You complete platform to onboard, reward, optimize, and the better understand your community powered by AI. No code required. So Cardori offering a seamless and secure experience enhanced by the unique reward system, presenting you a complete new way to shop. So Valcative, we according to the future of tracking or product is a revolution in digital tagging. We create a more calculative environment for fans and events holders. Join the Man Hub. You can see the Match Hub, my dear friends. So now go to the next one. You can see the highlights of this. You can see the website and videos. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So this is the website of Match Chain YouTube videos. So you can go and check the highlights, my friends. Thank you so much, my dear Crypto I. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Lining, welcome and thank you so much Crypto I. So welcome my dear friends, welcome author. So Crypto I, मेरे बाकी दोस्त गायब हैं, शाइनिंग स्टार से पता करें वो किधर हैं, वो अभी तक मेरी लाइव पे नहीं आए हैं. वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. So join the driving community. You can see the all community of picture, the beautiful picture of machine. You can see that this is the game, football game. And welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome all dear friends. Welcome Kate user. Start building on machines today. Dive into the comprehensive development records and the join the ranks of Innocent project shaping the future. Welcome and thank you so much. So this is a website I will show you. Now go to the other future on Match ID. So Match ID. Match ID unified identity on Web3. You can see my dear friends on Web3. Match ID connects templates across multiple blockchain and wallets plus your favorite Web2 accounts like email, Twitter, Google, TikTok, and more. One identity everywhere you need it. Start as developers. Unified identity on Web3 with Match ID. Shamelesses connect multiple blockchain wallets, DIDs with Web2 accounts, giving you a secure, available identity that's work across Web3. You can see the beautiful picture of Web3. Thank you so much, my dear. How are you? Angel I, welcome. Crypto I, welcome. I am good, my dear. How about you? तो शाइनिंग स्टार गायब है माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. क्रिप्टो आई पता करें उनका, वो किधर हैं, वो अभी तक लाइव पे नहीं आए हैं. वेलकम क्लासमेट, वेलकम शेरिफ, वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच. Thank you so much for joining live stream and thank you so much for the best comments, Crypto I. So welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream, Crypto I, my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much, Crypto I. Welcome my dear friends, welcome Tanveer, welcome to join my live stream, welcome all my dear friends. तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं गेट लाइट के न्यू प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में. न्यू क्यू. So you can see the beautiful picture. Match ID passport, your passport to the Web3 world. Match ID lets you link multiple blockchain wallet DID and Web2 accounts, giving you a shameless, secure identity across Web3. Airdrops, events, funding, whitelist, passcard. So this is the picture of passports. You can see Web3 Unity identity Web3. You can see the your Web3 identity card. So this is the Web3 identity card. Thank you so much Crypto I for the comments. Thank you so much. आप डेली आ जाते हैं और बेस्ट कमेंट्स और बेस्ट गिफ्ट लेकर आते हैं, मुझे पता है मेरे लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। एंड हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो आई? आप खुद भी बहुत अच्छे स्ट्रीमर हैं और बहुत ही कमाल कर रहे हैं अपनी स्ट्रीम पे। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फॉर द गिफ्ट क्रिप्टो आई, थैंक यू सो मच। Let blood your Web3 profile design a personalized digital card to showcase your online persona and grow your audience. My dear friends, thank you so much for this is a card of, you can see the card. Dear friends, this is the card. Identity mining. You can see the identity mining. Match ID identity mining allows you to earn tokens by sharing your digital information, like your online activities and performance professions, while keeping your personal details private. Benefit from your data without compromise your privacy. You can see the all. This is social media, Ethereum, Wallet, Twitter, Discord, YouTube, and many more. YouTube, Bitcoin. You can see the match ID. This is a picture of token DApp, analyze token DApp. You can see. So this is the all over DApp. Welcome all gate user. Welcome trading for all living 666. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Thank you so much. So now go to the next one of match ID. So this is a match ID. This is now go to the match hub. So this is a match hub. You can see match hub. You are missing out of your hub on login with the Telegram or the unlock future. So Telegram से इसको वो करना पड़ेगा login. You can see the picture of this is a sponsored for this match ID. You can see the all picture, my dear friends. All this is social media. All partners. You can see the all partners. Welcome and thank you so much. Petty08. Welcome MI007. Welcome gate user. You can see the all this is good partners of these websites. I will show you, my dear friends. My dear friends, thank you so much for joining my live stream. So this is a part. So this is a mashup. You can see. So now go to the ecosystem. Match hub. Earn, play, build with us. Telegram community, join our Telegram community to enhance your experience, thought or platforms. Join here. Out now match hit ID. Out now match hub. Welcome beginner, welcome dark white, welcome beginner, and thank you so much beginner for joining live stream again and again. Our community, you can see the our community open format, Alu, Pedal Finance, Olivia Network, AI. You can see the all over community. I will show the over community, all over community, my dear friends. You can see. Welcome all gate user. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome Dristi. Welcome Harishmika. How are you, Harishmika? My dear friends, you can see Harishmika, my new project. Get new on Gate.io. Tell me, my dear friends. तो OKX रेसर भी है इसके अंदर, ईमेल है, लोल है, जोबा है, अपटोन है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन इसके अंदर कम्युनिटी बनाई हुई है इसने। तो ये आपको दिख रहा है पीपर। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम ऑल गेट यूजर। वेलकम अगेन हर्षमिका। हर्षमिका, हाउ आर यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। बबल डायो, वेलकम चीसेस, welcome Chippy, welcome Ripley, welcome Golden Tayo. So this is a welcome all gate user. So my friends, you can also comment, share and like. So likes तो मुझे मिल रहे हैं, दोस्तों के likes आ रहे हैं। वेलकम कपो। तो दोस्तों लाइक एंड कमेंट लाजमी करें ताकि आप अपने आपको रिवॉर्ड्स विन करवा सकें। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। तो ये था इकोसिस्टम। तो चलते हैं इसके नेक्स्ट टॉपिक की तरफ। ब्लॉग भी दिखाते हैं आपको। तो ये है इसका ब्लॉग। मैच यूज, मैच चेन, न्यूज़। So all developments, updates, events, infra, news, social networking, tokenization. So imagine how to claim and stake your Genius license. How to claim and stake your Genius license. You can see the blog. This is the all blog. You can see, my dear friends. You can see and read. To go to the official website and see all blog for this official website. Welcome and thank you so much, all gate user. Welcome again, Crypto 77 Bangladesh. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So welcome, no time, my dear friends, no time. How are you, no time? Thank you so much for joining live stream. So this is Tokomentions Wallet Network Block GIC Paris Senate requirements and the Matchain Joint Innovation Studio. The Joint Innovation Studio GIS is a global platform innovation designed to utility Web3 pioneer, blockchain investor, AI specialist, and the creative platform problem solvers from the across industries operating from PSG headquartered in Paris. This is the innovative launched by Paris Senate Germany PSG in collaboration with the Matchain pioneering blockchain platform from the specialization in AI decanalizations identity date solution. Welcome and thank you so much. Umam double bum. Welcome Umam. How are you Umam? Thank you so much for joining. Welcome. Mohafizur Rahman, my dear friend. Welcome. Lucy Zoing. Welcome. No time. How are you? No time. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So no time. आपके comments नहीं आ रहे मुझे. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. No time. Thank you so much for joining live stream. So and creative problem solvers for the across industries operating. You can see the operating, my dear friends. Problem solver across industries launched by Paris Saint Germany PSG in collaboration with the matching pioneering blockchain platforms, specializations in AI and decanalizations identity ID solutions. Welcome SM 2000. Welcome. Thank you so much. Algate user. Welcome to Ataullah Preeti. How are you, Ataullah Preeti? Thank you so much for joining. So you can see the website and location. What is the Joint Innovation Studio? This the GIS is a global platform for the collaborations operating from PSG headquartered in Paris in Utilis, Web3 expert AI innovators and cross-industries business to create and implement solutions that bridge traditional system with cutting-edge technology by the contributive with the leading investors. So shining star नजर नहीं आ रहे मुझे अपनी लाइफ पर. इधर है shining star. PSG aims to set new standards for how technology can transfer sports, improving fans, seamless club operation, and building a smarter, more connected future. Our goes to foster an open and inclusive ecosystem that bridges together innovating development protocol solution. Our focus is on developing PSG 500 plus global audience translating for fan experience will similarities, optimizing internal club operation, thought, scalable technology by putting cost-effective solution with aim to better support PSG partners. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Aula Preeti, welcome CML. CML, don't send again any links for the live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome Dharam Singh. Welcome Great for reshaping the future of sports. You can see potential focus of areas, tokenized memberships, AI, power content, NFT, exclusive digital collaborates, empowering experience. So, tokenized membership program, innovative blockchain-based loyalty system that reward fan engagements and deliver exclusive benefits. Earn rewards for attending matching, purchasing merchandise, and entering online freedom tokens for the build the scenes across the earn reward for attending matching, purchasing merchandise, and integrating online the random tokens for behind the scenes access exclusive content and special experience such as meet and greets. AI powered personalizations content, AI diving solution to tailor content and deepen fan connections. Personalizations match highlights and players updates based on fan preferences. Customized contents for favorite players or match interventions notification that bring fans closer to their club experience. Welcome Arcade user, welcome ZX Banglix, welcome Anima, welcome Darkwit. Thank you so much for joining live stream. NFT exclusive digital collaborations, enabling digital collaborations powered by blockchain based on real time milestone and special experience and players' performance. Exclusive digital memorable capturing icon PSG momentum's unblinking experience including virtual meet and grades or gamified future like fantastic sports and production based rewards. Embraces VR, AR experience, cutting edge virtual and augmented reality platforms to enhance PSG global fan base, virtual stadium for tours and live match day views for the unique perspective arrangements, reality overlays featuring live state layers, enhance and match analyze virtual fan zone connecting PSG sport from around the world in a short digital space. Welcome gate user, welcome UID, welcome address, welcome and thank you so much. So AI club operations, AI and matching learning solution to the optimized PSG internal workflow and the performance strategic players performance analyzed to improve training and injured providing recovers optimization for match schedules and team management provided analysis to driving tactical discuss making and maximize team efficiency. Blockchain powered secure scalable tagging system that address common challenge elements frauds and private unauthorized records enable seamless transfer and transparent tickets ownership, providing PSG with the actionable real-time audience data and fan enhancing. Kamalgate user, welcome Panurio, welcome Bid Rising, Kamalgate user, welcome Snowball, my dear friends. How are you, Snowball? Decanalizations, identity, DID solution. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. So in short, data privacy transparency interrogates for the fans established for the process such as taking membership or loyalty reports, zero knowledge proffers for the secure collaborations. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome to all of you. Christo Ofro, secure collaborations, advanced technology to enable. Welcome, my dear friend Christopher. Welcome, Misbah. How are you, Misbah? Welcome to join live stream after a long time, Misbah. Thank you so much. Share article fans enhance with the sponsor or partners without expressing certified information. Ensure tickets ownership verification and secure fans interrogations. So welcome Alexan, my dear friends. Thank you so much, Alexan. So you can see the now go to the documentations. Welcome. So this is a white paper of this websites. Welcome Happy Double Four. So now overview and match in building to the next generation of the internet. You can see my dear friends. Overview. Match is a decentralization AI blockchain platform decided to providing compressible digital identity solutions for all users by integrations, advanced article intelligence, matching, matching, enhanced data categorizations, and user profiling, seamlessly merging social logic from both Web 2 and Web 3 into a unified digital identity. This empower individual with full controls over their data, enabling them to own, manage, and monetize it according to the performance. Key future decolonization identity DID match chain DID system issue unite digital ID cards to user capable of the building multiple blockchain wallet address and OpenDS. This system bridge identity data across virtual chain and platform, fostering interoperability and reducing permissions. Welcome ZX Strangling. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. So data severability, user rating, full ownership and control over their personal data with the ability to decide how it use and monetize this approach, ensuring transparency and user empowerment in the digital economy. AI, welcome. UFO 888, AI integrations, leveraging AI matching, analysis and enhancing user data, creating compressive data profile. This fluctuating personalizations experience and enable user to understand and capitalizes or to value of their data. Strategic partnership. Match Chain has former signified alliance to the diving innovation and expand its reach. Paris Saint-Germain PSG in collaboration with the PSG Matching aims to the regulations, fan engagement, thought, Web3 innovation, establishing a joint innovation studio to the development cutting edge technology. BNB chain most valuable builders MVB program match change selection for this program provides support and reduce to the advanced its AI complementary and identity solution fostering growth and developments with the blockchain ecosystem. Developers opportunity for developers match offers a dynamic and rapidly expanded ecosystem active user base with a growing community of fans of millions of users and productions to the reach 1 billion developers have the opportunity to create application with the significant reach and impact. Compressive tools and records MatchChain provides API, SDK, and details documentation to fluctuate the developments and developments organizations application the app supporting innovation and collaboration with the community engagements. MatchChain encourage active participation from its community, open secure collaborations, developers and users are invited to the enhance with the match over secure project addressing issue participating in bug hunting and following the match contribute guidelines for the contributor developments support and the collaboration the platform foster supporting environment so innovations for the providing resource and guidance to the help user and developers success within the match change ecosystem by facing and decolonizations identity data surviving and AI integrations. Match change is at the forefront of the digital identity revolution, offering secure user centric solutions that empower individual and driving innovation in the blockchain space. So go to the user mainnet. Welcome Kalim786. Welcome all great user. Welcome Happy44. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends, for joining my live stream. And welcome to all of you, my dear friends. My dear friends, thank you so much. So using mainnets, network details, you can see parameters value, network details, network name, matchain, RPC, endpoint, rate limits, not protection system. Chain ID 698, currency sample BNB, block explorer UID, URL. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. So add automatic from developments for the developers. We reminded user anchor for the relevant and the scalable RPC endpoints visit. You can see the URL for more details. Adding change manage to MetaMask. Option 1 automatic additions. Navigate to the root. Check in the connect wallet bottom. Follow the promote of in MetaMask to add the MatchChain network. Option 2 manual additions. Option MetaMask and click on the network drop down. At the top select add network and then add network to manual. Enter the detail list. Welcome Happy44. Welcome Ataullah Preeti. Thank you so much again Ataullah Preeti. Welcome to join my live stream. Looking for the testnet for 99 point of project. We will not random using testnet. If you still need a testnet, use wallet configurations. Welcome EZ Crypto. Thank you so much EZ Crypto. In the integrate with the mat change, you will need to add both the chain network and the BNB Smart Chain BSC to your wallet below are step-by-step introduction for the setting of this network in MetaMask. Number one, installation. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome. Come to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Welcome, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome, Alkate user. Thank you so much. So install MetaMask. Browser extensions, download and install MetaMask from the official website mobile app available on. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome all Gate user. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. To add MetaMask to network, MetaMask, open MetaMask and click the network drop down at the top, select add network and then add network. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Come to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome. वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। तो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं दोस्तों गेट आईओ के नए प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में। वेलकम सूर्या, वेलकम थाई गैंग। So one, open my MetaMask and click the network options. Select the add network and the add network manually enter the following details: network name, RPC, your chain ID, current sample, block explorer URL. Click save to add the network. Add BNB Smart Chain BSC to MetaMask. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. In MetaMask, click on the network drop down and select add network. Welcome and thank you so much. Enter the following details. Thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. वेलकम माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू सो मच। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस कैसी हैं आप? ठीक ठाक हैं? वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, हाउ आर यू क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस? वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, आपके आने का बहुत शुक्रिया लाइव स्ट्रीम ज्वाइन करने का। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Come on, thank you so much. So, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका आने का। वालेकुम अस्सलाम। उम्मीद है आप खैरियत से होंगी, ठीक ठाक होंगी। आई हम गुड, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, आज आप आ गई। मुझे लगा आज आप लेट हो जाएंगी, लेकिन आप टाइम पर आ गई। बहुत शुक्रिया आपका लाइव स्ट्रीम पे आने का। तो आज जल्दी इस वजह से आ गया हूँ क्योंकि आज दो प्रोजेक्ट करने हैं, सो इसलिए टाइम टू टाइम भी पहला कर रहा हूँ, फिर शाम को दूसरा भी करना है। तो इस वजह से टाइम कम है, इस वजह से फिर स्टार्ट में ही आज अपने पुराने टाइम पर स्टार्ट किया मैंने बहुत दिनों बाद 12 बजे। इस वजह से यूजिंग दी ऐप Match change ecosystem often a diverse areas of decanalization. Application D apps across versions, category, providing user with the best opportunity. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto Princess. So welcome, thank you so much. तो मेरे दोस्त शाइनिंग स्टार आज भी गायब है, मेरे लाइव स्ट्रीम पे नहीं है। बाकी क्रिप्टो भाई आए थे स्टार्ट में और वो भी फिर गर्मी से बेहोश हो गए। थैंक यू सो मच। Category of D app of matching AID app enhanced with decanalizations application that leverage article intelligence to provide innovative solution and service explorer AI focus D app. Thank you so much for the best comments. Cryptocurrency, cryptocurrencies. Thank you so much. You also doing great job. Welcome and thank you so much. With people advanced, welcome Crypto Princess. Welcome and thank you so much. Welcome Crypto 77 Bangladesh. Good morning Crypto Princess. And good afternoon. Play to earn be a participant in application that allow you to earn rewards and assets, thought, merchant activities. Discover to play to earn the app on MadChain View tab readers. Gaming the app enjoy innovative gaming experience on the blockchain fund information MadChain gaming the app. E-commerce the app enhance decanalizations marketplace and platform for the buying and selling goods and service explorer and e-commerce the apps और MadChain sort. सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस मेरी आवाज़ आपको ठीक आ रही है, मुझे ये बता दें। ओके है माय डियर, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम। क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस मेरी आवाज़ ओके है, आप ये बता दें, कंफर्म कर दें। थैंक यू सो मच। अगर आप लाइव पर हैं, वेलकम बी मैन, वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड्स। सिक्योरिटी रिमाइंडर्स ऑलवेज verify the automatic of D apps exclusive. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome, my dear friends. So, security reminder always verify the authority of the app and exclusive caution when interrogations. So, go to the next one, technical architecture. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Welcome, Li Ying. Welcome, thank you so much. जी ओके है, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस आपका बताने का। वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस। वॉइस ओके, थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस। Technical architecture. So you can see the picture of governance layer, sentiments layers, executions layer, directions layer, executing layer, data availability layer. So this is our layer of, I can see you, my dear friends, you can see. Beautiful picture. Overview of optimized stake. Welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Welcome to all of you. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you so much for joining live stream. My dear friends, thank you so much for joining live stream. Overview of optimized stake. The OP stake is backbone of Optimize, a groundbreaking opportunity to scaling Ethereum thoughts, optimize refueling, developments, and maintained by the Optimize collective. The OP stake comprise and standardized shares and open secure development stake, providing scaling tools and funds for the building and development optimized rule of blockchain. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस आपका आने का और इतने प्यारे प्यारे कमेंट्स करने का। सो ये ले आपके लिए चॉकलेट हाजिर है आपके तीत खराब करने के लिए। Key components standardize the OP stake adheres to standards protocols ensuring compatibility and interoperability across the optimized ecosystem, open secure all components of the OP stock and open secure fostering controversy. Welcome and thank you so much, Crypto Bangladesh. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to join my live stream. Welcome to all of you. MI007. Welcome Chutke Portorio. Welcome MI007. MI007. How are you? MI007. Welcome gate user. Welcome and thank you so much. So दोस्तों टाइम है कम। इसके बाद मैं आपको इसके बाकी के रूल्स बताऊंगा फिर बताना चाहूँगा बेनिफिट्स ऑफ यूजिंग ओपी स्टेकिंग स्केबिलिटी leveraging optimized roll-up technology with the against transactions off-chain before submitting them to the Ethereum minutes of the OP staking enables significant scalable improvements for the Ethereum application. Security the OP stake and security generated Ethereum ensuring the safely assets and transaction with the optimized roll-up chain. Interoperability thought share stands and protocols. The OP stack facilitates seamless interoperability with the optimized rule of change, enabling to consistent and integrations. Stability with user-friendly tools and documentations of the OP of simplicity the super chain integration as the optimized super chain ecosystem average of the OP staking with the continuous to adoptions expand to the support the correction of the new chain seamless integration with the border one. Kamalgate user welcome and thank you so much universe welcome 2021. Thank you so much universe welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you my dear friends welcome. Welcome to join my live stream. वेलकम। तो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस आप मौजूद हैं लाइव स्ट्रीम पर। वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच। तो मेरी आवाज़ आपको बेहतरीन आ रही है उम्मीद है। फूफू डबल एट वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम EZ क्रिप्टो। वेलकम फ्रांसिस्को वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच। अनलॉकिंग रूल्स वेलकम एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। वेलकम टू ऑल ऑफ यू। welcome and thank you so much for joining live stream. Francisco family, yes, my dear, welcome and thank you so much. I'll get user for joining my live stream. Unlocking route 100% unlocking gate IO allows user to stake early. You can stake USS before the project official launch, ensuring you are start entering rewards immediately once the mining begins. Reward distribution. The system will distribute token rewards. Welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear me crypto. Welcome and thank you so much, my dear, for joining my live stream. Welcome, my dear. Welcome to all of you. So reward distribution, the system will distribute token rewards to user spot accounts, the whole based on the preparations of the assets staked by the each user. Gate IO launch pool FAQ, how to participate. Log in into the Gate accounts and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool. Hold at least 0001 by BTC 001 MAT stake. Exclusive staking limit privilege for the VIP user, VIP 5 and above user enjoying exclusive staking limit with the participating in launch pool with the up to 500 staking limit bonus. You can see the, my dear friends, welcome and thank you so much for joining my live stream. Welcome to all of you, my dear friends. Thank you so much, my dear friends. And my crypto, welcome. Panda Crypto, thank you so much, Panda Crypto. Hi, how are you? Me Crypto, thank you so much for joining. Panda Crypto, how are you, my dear friends? Thank you so much for joining live stream. How are you, my dear friends? Me Crypto and Panda Crypto. So VIP level and BTC pool minimizing staking for over. You can see the all of project introductions information provided by the MatChange Mat team. Please follow the MatChange Mate website for the more detailed introductions. AI change for the ID data average onboarding 500 plus via global IP partner user Mat ID match ID token name match chain token symbol mat maximum supply 100.8. Welcome, thank you so much for joining live stream. Crypto me crypto and Panda Crypto, thank you so much. Please add crypto for the follow me, my dear friends. तो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस लुका छुपी खेल रही हैं आज भी हमेशा की तरह. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो. हाउ आर यू ब्रदर, कैसे हैं आप? थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग लाइव स्ट्रीम आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. टोकन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन एंड अनलॉकिंग रूल्स. इंटायर टोकन 19%, सप्लाई पूल्स super pools 21, future mining reward 60%. So website and white paper I will show already, my dear friends. So Gate IO Labs info investment disclosure. Gate IO Lab did not invest in MatChange Mat. So note, Gate IO Lab in innovative. Thank you so much, me crypto, for the comments. Gate IO Lab launch pool is an innovative in staking and airdrop platforms where user can staking GT, BTC, ETH, USDT or other tokens to earn only airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barrier and high APR. It's the ultimate platform for the effortless capturing market opportunity. Please complete the identity verification before participating in launch pool to enhance the security of your accounts and assets. Please adhere to avalanche rule to prevent the participating any cheating behavior in probability and ensure of the any dishonesty will result in the disqualification of the rewards. Where any dispensary occurs between the translate version and the original version shall prevail. Gate IO receive all rights to final expression. This event is not appropriate. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess, and me, Crypto. Best of luck. Thank you so much. You also, my dear. Welcome, Shining Moon. So risk warning, the project team does not guarantee that token price will be not lower than entire sale price. Please invest with the caution and don't invest beyond your finance capacity. The crypto project is still entirely stage factors including the operation and the underlying technology of the project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to the significant risk. advanced technical and the finance knowledge in the required to understand and evaluate in the risk of the crypto assets investments. The market volatility is high and the price of token might fluctuate due to technical regularity and the marketing factors. User may not be able to withdraw all the purchased token due to the technical issue of the project on Gate. So Gate team June 17, 2025. Gate to way take action now. Stay connect, transparency and security. So thank you so much, my dear. Welcome to join my live stream. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Thank you so much. So क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस गुस्से में लाइव स्ट्रीम क्यों करती हैं? सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस गुस्से में लाइव स्ट्रीम नहीं करती, वो तो खुशी खुशी लाइव स्ट्रीम करती हैं। क्रिप्टो ऐसी बात नहीं है, आपने उनकी लाइव स्ट्रीम नहीं सुनी। तो अब आपसे चाहूँगा इजाज़त। बताता चलूँ एक दफ़ा, जो मैं आपको प्रोजेक्ट बता रहा था उसका नाम था मैट चेंज बैट्स। तो इसकी मैंने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट भी दिखाई आपको, ये थी इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट। तो अब आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के साथ नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम पे। तो तब तक के लिए दीजिए इजाज़त। आप सब दोस्तों का बहुत शुक्रिया आने का, खासकर क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड मी क्रिप्टो ट्रेडर, और भी वो लोग जिन्होंने मुझे लाइव स्ट्रीम पर कमेंट्स किए, लाइक किए और फॉलो किया, उन सबका बहुत शुक्रिया आने का लाइव स्ट्रीम में। तो अब आपसे मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम में दोस्तों, नेक्स्ट लाइव में, नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट में। तो मी क्रिप्टो नेक्स्ट स्ट्रीम में क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस को भी आप ज्वाइन करके देखिएगा, वो गुस्से में लाइव स्ट्रीम नहीं करती। तो अल्लाह हाफिज़ माय ऑल डियर फ्रेंड्स। नेक्स्ट वन।